Question number 13. So this, when I split it, I have 2 divided by 1 minus x times 1 plus x square. This is going to be a divided by 1 minus x plus, here I have a quadratic and I know that I cannot further simplify. A plus b into a minus b எழுத முடியுமா? You can't write that. So you basically have bx plus c divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, understood? So now when I take the LCM, a times 1 plus x square plus bx plus c times 1 minus x. Always put a bracket. Denominator 1 minus x times 1 plus x square. The pakam 2 divided by 1 minus x, 1 plus x square. When I equate the numerators, equate the numerator. 2 equals, I am going to multiply a plus ax square plus bx minus bx square plus c minus cx. Now clubbing the x square terms, I have x square times a minus b plus clubbing the x terms, I have b minus c plus constants a plus c equals to, I only have a constant which is a plus c. So all the others are 0. A minus b equals 0. B minus c equals 0. A plus c equals 2. What do I have from here? A equals b. B equals c. In that I know a equals c. Correct? So since these two are equal, I know that a equals c. So can I do that? So basically c plus c equals 2. 2c equals 2. C equals 1. C equals 1 in a also equals 1. Since a equals 1, b equals 1. Okay, simple integral. Now when I substitute it in the integral, I have integral a divided by 1 minus x, which is 1 divided by 1 minus x dx plus bx plus c. So plus bx, which is x plus c, which is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square times dx. So this I can further write it as log mod 1 minus x plus I can split the integral. So I have x divided by 1 plus x square plus integral 1 divided by 1 plus x square times dx. So this I can solve using substitution method. So I have 1 plus x square equals t, 2x dx equals dt, x dx equals dt divided by 2. So when I solve the integral, I will basically have integral of dt by 2, which is 1 by 2 times dt divided by t, plus this particular integral is going to give me tan inverse of x plus you have a constant. So basically my final answer, how does it look like? Here I have log mod 1 minus x plus half dt by t plus tan inverse of x plus c. So dt by t to simplify panno. So I have, I'll write it here, log mod 1 minus x plus half dt divided by t, which is going to be log mod t. So log mod, what is my t? 1 plus x square. So 1 plus x square plus tan inverse of x plus c. The coefficient of x is a minus 1. So you have to add minus 1. The final answer looks something like this. Minus log mod 1 minus x plus half log mod 1 plus x square plus tan inverse of x plus c. In the minus marandiradinga. Okay, always remember. Question number 14. So idu eppadi pannano? 3x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 the whole square should be written as a divided by x plus 2 first, apparam b divided by x plus 2 the whole square. Okay, remember, always remember this, don't forget. So inge what is missing? X plus 2 plus there is nothing missing here, divided by x plus 2 the whole square. This is my LCM. Okay, so 3x minus 1 x plus 2 the whole square. So now equating the numerator. So I have 3x minus 1 equals, when I open the brackets, I have ax plus 2a plus b. Now combining the constants and all that, it is already combined. So 3 is equal to a and minus 1 equals 2a plus b. So when I equate, a equals 3, 2a plus b equals minus 1, 2 times 3 plus b equals minus 1, b equals minus 1 minus 6, which is minus 7. So b order value minus 7. When I substitute it in the integral, I have a by x plus 2. So a by x plus 2 times dx plus b by x plus 2 the whole square. So b by x plus 2 the whole square times dx. So this is nothing but 3 log mod x plus 2 plus integral. I can take the minus 7 outside, so I'll write that minus 7 integral of, I can write this as x plus 2 power minus 2 times dx. Remember how to solve such integrals. So this particular term is going to give me x plus 2 times to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1, which is going to be minus 1 divided by x plus 2. So this is this particular term. So what do I have in the end? 3 log mod x plus 2 minus 7 times minus 1 divided by x plus 2 plus c. So the minus and the minus becomes a plus. So 3 log mod x plus 2 plus 7 divided by x plus 2 plus c. So this is my final answer. Okay, please copy. Question number 15. So what do I have here? 1 divided by, I can rewrite this as x square the whole square minus 1, and this I can further split it as a square minus b square. So it is going to be x square minus 1 times x square plus 1. So this I can write it again as 1 divided by x plus 1 into x minus 1 into x square plus 1. So I have 3 different terms, and x square plus 1 cannot be simplified further. Okay, this is one way of doing it, but you see that you'll get a lot of variables. So in the term I need a, this I need b, for this I need cx plus d. So instead what am I going to do? I am going to put value for x square. I am not going to substitute. I am not going to change the variable x. Instead I am going to write x square as y. Integrate பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி you have to change back the variable to x square. Okay, always remember I am not changing the variable of differentiation or variable of integration. Okay, I am only substituting, I am only putting the value of x square to be y. I am just putting. Substitution kadayadu. X na maathala, dx na maathala. So basically my integral is times dx. I am putting value for x square, but before taking the integral I'll change it back to x because my variable of integration is x. Okay, remember. Now what am I going to do? How does my integral change? 1 by y minus 1 times y plus 1. Now a divided by y minus 1 plus b divided by y plus 1. When I take the LCM, a times y plus 1 plus b times y minus 1 divided by the denominator equals 1. Since the denominators are equal, I can equate the numerator. So ay plus a plus by minus b equals 1. Now clubbing the y terms. So a plus b, constant energy a minus b. So I have a plus b equals 0. A minus b equals 1. I know that a equals minus b. So I have minus b equals 1. Minus 2b equals 1. B equals minus 1 divided by 2. So a equals 1 by 2 because it's minus b. So what did I get? 1 divided by y minus 1, 1 by 2. A would value 1 by 2 plus b, which is minus half divided by y plus 1. Now I need to take the integral, but remember the variable of integration is x. So before taking the integral, I have to change my value for y. So y equals x square. I am going to change it back. So what do I have? Basically 1 by 2 divided by x square minus 1 plus minus 1 by 2 divided by x square plus 1 times dx. Okay, my variable of integration is only dx. So always change it back. In that integral edukka kudadu because we did not change the variable to dy. Never do that. That will be wrong. Substitute it back. So now I have 1 by 2 integral dx divided by x square minus 1 minus 1 by 2 integral dx divided by x square plus 1. So this is of the form dx divided by x square minus a square, which is going to be log 1 by 2a log mod x minus a divided by x plus a. So this is my first one. Dx, this is going to be tan inverse. This is simple. So this is going to be tan inverse. So when I substitute the answer, I have 1 by 2 velila already irukku. So 1 by 2 times 1 by 2a. What is my a here? It is 1. 1 by 2 times a log mod x minus a x plus a. This is my first term. Minus half. I already have a minus half times tan inverse of x plus c. So when I simplify 1 by 4 log mod x minus 1 x plus 1 minus half tan inverse of x plus c. Okay, this is my final answer. Please copy. Ella methods, ella exercise la போட்டதுமே இதுல வரும். You have to remember whatever you learnt in the previous exercise. அப்பதான் அது apply பண்ண முடியும். Okay. Now, question number 16. So basically they have given a hint here. Multiply numerator and denominator by x to the power n minus 1. We'll see what happens if we don't do that. நம்ம டைரக்டா நமக்கு தோன்றத போடுவோம். So I have integral 1 by x times x to the n plus 1 times dx. This is what we have. What substitution can we make? This is the term that looks very different. So அதுக்கு substitute பண்ணலாம். X to the n plus 1 equals t. So when I differentiate, 1 is a constant. So this becomes n x to the power n minus 1 times dx equals dt. I only have dx. So this is going to be dt divided by n x to the n minus 1. Now let's see what happens when we substitute. I have integral 1 divided by, let x be there, times x to the n plus 1 is going to be t times dx another dt divided by n x to the n minus 1. What do you see here? I have x here and x n to the n minus 1. What happens when I club these two terms? X times x n to the n minus 1 is nothing but x to the n. Correct? When I add, what happens? In the I have x power 1 plus n minus 1. This is nothing but x to the power n. So how does my integral change? Integral dt divided by x to the n times t divided by 1 by n. But what is my x to the n? Remember, my variable of integration has now become dt. So x to the n is nothing but t minus 1. So this is nothing but t minus 1. So when I simplify, 1 by n integral dt divided by t minus 1 times t. So now this is my integral. So partial fraction pota, my integral is going to look something like this. So when I split, I have a divided by t plus b divided by t minus 1. When I take the LCM, a times t minus 1 plus b times t divided by t into t minus 1. Inge 1 by t into t minus 1. So what does this become? Since the new denominators are equal, equating the numerator. So 1 equals at minus a plus bt. So a plus b equals 0, no t. So minus a equals 1, a equals minus 1, a equals minus b. So b oda value is going to be minus of minus a, which is 1. So a, b oda value theriyum. So when I substitute, I have 1 divided by t plus b and minus 1. A is minus 1 plus b is going to be 1 divided by t minus 1. So when I take the integral, this is going to be minus log mod t plus log mod t minus 1. Here I have changed the variable of integration. So in that I can directly take the integral because the variable of integration is going to be dt. Pona question la I did not change the variable of integration. Okay, understand the difference. Now what is my value of t? X power n plus 1. So this is nothing but log mod x power n plus 1 plus log mod t minus 1, which is x power n plus 1, that is t. In the இடத்துல ஒரு minus 1 இருக்கு. Remember, you have to divide by 1 by n. Remember, you have a 1 by n here. So that is nothing but this. So how does my final answer look like? 1 by n times minus log mod x power n plus 1 plus log mod x to the n. I can further simplify this. How can I simplify? Log of a minus b nirka. So this is log minus log b plus log a. So log a minus log b can be written as log of a divided by b. So this is nothing but 1 by n times log a divided by b. Okay, this is my answer, plus c. Always. Please copy.